let's see here.
My name is Andrew Schmidt. I am the principal of St. John Catholic School in Fenton, Michigan. And we had Mr. Peace come out and talk to our 4th through 8th grade, and it was a phenomenal experience for the students and the staff to be able to hear Kevin's witness. It was, like I said, it was phenomenal. A lot of great, relatable stories. The scripture passages and references were powerful. And it gave the students the ability to think about themselves and think about how they're treating others and how they can be the light of Christ ultimately to those around them. So I'm really happy that Mr. Peace came out, and looking forward to maybe some other future events that he can do. So I highly recommend bringing Mr. Peace to your school to talk to your middle school and even the lower elementary school, because he has a great way of making the stories and making the experience relatable to those different age groups. So, thank you.